Today we talk about how can you disable and lock with device pin on your MetaMask app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on security and privacy here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just keep going down here until you found here a lock with device pin. You click on this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's going to take you to this list here. I'm going to use my button here and you click on continue. So then automatically it's going to disable with you here unlock with device pin. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.